algebra challenge. So it looks complicated, but let's break it down little by little till we get to the answer. So what we're going to do first here, I'm going to do this first. X plus 1 over x. I have to do a common denominator, so we'll multiply this by x, and then multiply this by x, top and bottom. So what this gives me, it gives me x squared plus 1 over x, the common denominator. 1, I'm talking about this one right here, over x squared plus 1 over x. You just know if you have 1 over a fraction, you could just change this to x over x squared plus 1. So flip this basically, because this is 1 divided by this. And you know, when we divide, we go keep, switch, flip. So now we're taking care of all of this. So we have x minus 1 over x plus, and all of this became x over x squared plus 1. Now let's take this part of the equation and do it now. So we have x plus x over x squared plus 1. This is of course over 1, so we're going to do a common denominator, which means you multiply this by x squared plus 1, and whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom. And now this will give me, the bottom is common denominator, x squared plus 1. And here we're just going to go x distribute into here, so you're going to get x cubed plus x, which is this one. And that's going to give me x cubed plus 2x all over x squared plus 1. And now, since there's a 1 on top of this, so the answer for this is this, and there's a 1 on top over x cubed plus 2x over x squared plus 1, then we know, as I said earlier, if it's 1 over a fraction, you just flip that fraction and you get rid of the 1. Basically, we simplified all of this, and we still have the x minus, and all of this just became x squared plus 1 over x cubed plus 2x. Now, of course, this is over 1, so we're going to multiply everything by the common denominator, and the common denominator is x cubed plus 2x. And we multiply the top here by x cubed plus 2x. And therefore, we're going to get x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared minus x squared plus 1 all over the common denominator x cubed plus 2x. And therefore, this equals x to the 4 plus 2x squared minus x squared minus 1, distributing the negative into here into there, all over x cubed plus 2x, which gives me x to the 4 plus x squared minus 1 all over x cubed plus 2x. And that is your final answer. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.